Why would I ever buy a property in Alanya? Lots of reasons. Let me tell you some of them. Having this climate here for at least 9 months in the year is a fascinating thing. We are in November and it's already hot. We are in the chairlifts, having a look at the beautiful Alanya. I can guarantee to you that you will not have such a thing in Turkey. Affordable prices. Alanya provides reasonable prices for all buyers and investors in comparison with other cities in Turkey. Even at night, Alanya is magical. Trust me, purchase, live, or even invest. For further information about having a tour to Alanya's properties, kindly contact Imtilak Real Estate.